Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a qubit technology and obtaining the core hardware. Pick superconducting qubits or trapped ions and order a compatible cryostat now. Lead times matter. While waiting, set up a clean, grounded bench and reserve lab time. Configure initial control electronics and prepare a computer for the control software stack. Once done, verify power, grounding, and RF shielding. Make sure to document serial numbers and firmware versions, so troubleshooting starts from known baselines. You now integrate the pieces. Install the qubit chip into the cryostat and route control and readout cabling with thermalization points. Connect AWGs, ADC, mixers, and the timing reference. Calibrate clocks and delays. Power up the cryostat and cool to operating temperature while monitoring vibration and magnetic fields. Then load pulse sequences and test single qubit control at low amplitude to avoid damage. Once stable, run Rabi and Ramsey experiments to characterize coherence. This informs gate. You finish by implementing 2-qubit gates, compiling simple algorithms, and measuring performance metrics like fidelity and error per gate. Iterate calibrations and add closed-loop routines to correct drift. Optimize thermal anchoring and vibration isolation to improve coherence times. Make sure control software timestamps align with hardware. If results are poor, first verify cryostat temperature and grounding, then inspect cabling and connector seating. Finally, review timing and firmware versions. A single mistimed trigger or loose SMA can explain many common failures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.